all around the world, we see that there is increasing money being spent on technology and education. There is lots of optimism that that will lead to increasing impact on student learning outcomes and stronger education systems. And we're seeing examples of where that is happening around the world. But there's not yet significant evidence of what works for whom in what specific context. And so the EdTech Hub exists to ensure that the potential of EdTech is really realised and that the millions of children around the world who are not learning in and out of school can actually have the potential for a better education, better learning outcomes through technology. And that requires improving the way that education technology is actually used. At the EdTech Hub, we think the most effective way to do that is by promoting evidence, by ensuring that every decision in education technology is made with evidence at the heart. What will work and why it will work, who it will work for, in what context. So we exist in order to generate better evidence, to make sure that research is being done, that we can understand answers to the critical questions in education technology, but then to also ensure that that evidence is being used for decision making in governments, with donors, with NGOs, at the school level.
We work with partners and local researchers, but I really appreciate that we have passionate partners who share our vision and who are also on the ground doing, the really important work of implementing EdTech solutions. I think what I would say we have learned is the power of collaboration really makes evidence uptake, more acceptable. The fact that we're working with partners makes the work that we do, it kind of legitimizes the research that we're doing, and that has been really, really useful to understand. The other thing is that our partners are also our linkages a lot of the times to key decision makers. And so we're able to come together, not just to do the work, but also to understand and figure out together how to disseminate the evidence and make sure that it reaches the right hands.
At the heart of the Hub's future is the integrated approach. What that means is that we believe that the best way evidence can be used to influence decision making and ensure a high impact future for EdTech is by adopting the integrated approach. So for the EdTech Hub, the future is around building on all that we have learned over the last few years and ensuring that all of our work is focused on addressing key priority technical questions through the use of our tools, sandboxes, design-based research, experimental studies, help desk requests, technical assistance to drive forward both knowledge and the use of that knowledge around those questions.